Welcome back. We start with the functions part 1 today. Let's start learning about function. So first, when we want to make function, the first step will be to write def. Here we tell Python that we want to make function. That's our first step here, to write a def. Next step is to write the function name. The name, it could be whatever you want. But there is a rule, you can't have space. If you want to have space, just make like underscore instead. So here this function I will call it like first function. First function. So as you can see here, when we write the function name, we got it with the blue color. That indicating we had a function name. When we have this underscore, like when we remove this underscore, we get without this blue color. That indicating we have a wrong thing here. The function name should be with blue color. Here, and we have parentheses here. Inside the parentheses, we could have one argument or many arguments. Here I will keep it simple and I will have any argument. So it will be without any argument. Inside the function, we can make comment. The comment will this comment will tell the user that we want this function for a specific reason. Here, our first function will print. This function will print hello world. So our first function here will print hello world. Here, and we make here print hello world. So if you want to call the function, we make like here, like let's make it a is equal to, and we write the function name first function. And remember the parentheses, you should have the parentheses. If we write it without parentheses and we hit run, you got the functions without any thing like printed. When we hit first function with parentheses here, we got hello world. So that was our first function. Let's make our second function. The same steps, we write here def, and we make the function name here, we call it like second function, and I will keep it simple as well, so I will make parentheses without any arguments here, and we make comment. Let's see here, we write this function will return hello world. In the next video I will discuss the difference between print and return, but right now I will just like write return f string. You can choose to have f string or without f string, but it's always better to have f string. And here we write hello world, and here we make b is equal to our function name second function, and with parentheses, and we hit run. Let's see what we will got. We got hello world from our first function, but I just get rid from our first function here. Yes, when we hit run, we got nothing because we have return, not print. Because we should make print order. Here we write print b. We hit run, we got hello world. So when we have return, it's not enough to have only to call the function with the function name. We should have print to see the result here. let's get rid from our second function. So I will make our third function the same step, def function name, third function, parentheses. Right now I won't keep it simple. I will write here one argument, but remember you can have one or many arguments, but here I will keep it like simple, but not very simple, because I have one argument here. And I will make comment. Here I will write this function will return hello name, and here we write return, we use f string hello, and the method we use it like so many times here, we write this too, we use here curly bracket and inside that name to indicating we want to print the name from here. So here we write c is equal to our function third function, and if we make here parentheses with nothing and we hit it run, we will get here error, because we want to write one argument inside the function. Here there is many methods to write it, but here I will write the name directly. I will write my name here, Qutaiba, and here we print C, and we hit run. We got here hello Qutaiba. We can use like a different name. Let's write hello John. We hit run, we got hello John, or we can make it like hello Camila. We hit run, we got hello Camila. So you can use whatever name you want inside the function. So that was the functions part 1. See you in the next video.